this is the spare room. Again, crazy curtains going on. And some crazy lighting. But all the rooms are a really good size. Like this room, I'm just packing for our holiday to go to Europe. This room is 4 meters by 3 meters, I think, 3.2 meters. So they're all really good size. I feel like we can make a huge difference just by changing the lighting and the curtains. And I'd love to do like a parquetry wooden flooring. So we'll get rid of the grey carpet. And it's got a little view to the water again from here. This room we call the sunroom because it gets such amazing afternoon light. And we will obviously get rid of the curtains and the lighting in here as well. And we've just got a couch in here so we can sit and watch TV. I haven't started styling any of the shelves yet. Everything's just been placed since we moved in. But Avalia loves doing her Emma Wiggle ballet in here. I would really like to make this space an extra wardrobe because we're already, the house is 5 bedrooms and we're already running out of space for wardrobe, and we don't really need the extra TV space because if we're going to make the garage into a cinema room we won't need the TV up here, but this is just temporary. So for now it's really working that we've got an extra space up here. Valia can come and do her Emma Wiggle ballet, and it's a mess at the moment. Stuff's everywhere because I've been putting the kids' clothes up for sale. I want to do a gallery wall on this wall, so that's why those 3 pictures are there. We haven't really got any pictures up on the wall yet.
Ria, is that you? Can you show me some ballet?
Our next step in renovations is to get the carport done, a new fence, paint the front of the house, and we're going to do cladding, paint the house grey and white, and then we'll start inside. So we've already done the kids' rooms and I will reveal them to you soon. I can't wait to show you guys what I've done. It's been so much fun doing them. Hey, say hello, Alu. And we're really lucky because my dad's really handy and he's a builder, so he can do a lot of it. And we've just got other little contractors in here and there. We've done some ourselves, so it'll be a bit of a mixture, but we're still waiting on plans to come back to finalize exactly what we're doing. Love to do plantation shutters on the windows, but I think that they just block too much light, so we'll probably do like a blind in here and get rid of all these old-fashioned curtains. And I love the big mirrors, so I'll probably keep the mirrors but change all the gold. I know that gold's like really in at the moment, but I feel like the gold that's in our house is really dated, like the shape of all the fittings and everything. Like obviously I've got to replace all of this, so I haven't picked what we're going to do yet. One of the good things is though we're not dealing with a lack of space. We've got plenty of space, so it means that we can do so much with the area. We've just got to make sure that we get the planning right. A bit of Avalia's bedroom in the background. I don't want to show you too much because the other half of the room Garth is working on right now. We're putting some wallpaper up, but I don't want to show you guys what it's going to be. So I'm not going to show you inside the kids' rooms, but Yeah, I can't wait to show you when they're finished. Our dishwasher is already integrated, so you can't see from the front that it's a dishwasher. When we get the new kitchen, we will get all new cupboards and stone bench top, and we're going to integrate the fridge as well. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet with the microwave and oven and everything, but this is our current kitchen, but I don't think that the kitchen will stay in this place. We're going to move the kitchen from this location to over there, and then somehow include a butler's pantry as well. So we have a little beach down by the water. We have little ducks that come. It's so nice with the kids to have that space, and I'm sure we'll use the pool heaps in summer, but we haven't used it yet because we've only just moved in and it's winter. But Mishka's outside at the moment because Garth took her for a run this morning and she's got really muddy paws. So we've got a pretty big pool. It's 19 meters. Mishka's excited. We'll probably keep the tiles and just get it clean, do like a travertine tile on the edge. This is Avalia's favorite part of the backyard. To me, it looks like a big pile of poo, but apparently to Avalia, it looks like a turtle, so whatever. Still painting out there. All of the fences will be changed to glass, and you can see all the windows are white framed. We'll keep it that way. It'll go really nicely with the grey house and the dark charcoal roof, but there's still so much to do to the backyard. And this is the downstairs spare bathroom, but I'm thinking that here is the toy room, that if we rip that wall out, I can have one big long laundry, and we'll probably keep that bathroom but renovate it. And this is the garage, which at the moment is just full of junk. We don't keep our car in here, but we are going to turn the garage into a cinema room. So we'll build it up so it's all on one level, and then we'll have the tiers of chairs, and we'll have the big cinema screen at the end, carpeted floors. We'll probably paint the walls black and might do like a little bar or popcorn area or something. But I think that'll be a great space for the kids to have their own cinema room. And we don't really use the garage. And we're gonna, instead of having a garage, build a carport at the front of the house, so our cars will go there and they'll be undercover. So from here to here, I'd love to put like big open doors opening out to the pool so we can have more of an entertaining space. This room is currently supposed to be like a living space, but I'd love to take out those dividers in the middle and then have the TV in the middle of the room here with like a stone wall behind and make it one big dining space. This is actually our outdoor setting that's in here at the moment, but we have that in here so the dog doesn't chew it up, because if we leave it outside, she'll just go outside and chew it. But this is the view from here. It's so messy because we kind of just moved in and then just chucked all of our pots and stuff everywhere, so we haven't done any renovating yet. But I cannot wait to get rid of all of these curtains. So we'll probably do ceiling to floor shears in this room with a curtain behind, and then same with this space. So ceiling to floor shears, get rid of all these curtains and these lights. Cannot wait to get rid of all of these lights. We do have a TV. Where's our TV?
In my room.
You don't have a TV in your room. What's your baby's name?
Ezzy.
Ezzy?
Yeah.
It's not Arlo?
Yeah, it is Arlo.
It is Arlo. Can you show me, we're upstairs now, can you show me Mummy and Daddy's room?
That is my room.
This is your room, is it?
Yeah.
Not Mummy and Daddy's room?
No.
So this is my room. You would have seen it on my Insta stories. This is our walk-in wardrobe, which is already so full of stuff. So unorganized. Wait, where's the bathroom?
Over here.
Over here. This is our bathroom.
And then there's a bed. The ducking.
For jumping?
Yeah.
So I love like herringbone marble tiles. I want to keep it really light and bright in here. I want to do a freestanding bath, and I'd like to do a double shower as well. It's got a really nice view out from our bathroom, and you can see they've started painting our roof. The white's just an undercoat. It's going to be Monument, which is a really dark charcoal. And we have these crazy mirrors in here. Everything's gold in this house. Like all the fittings are really old gold. And these mirrors close. So you're having a sleep, are you?
This bed for sleeping.
So we started with all of our plans with a mood board. So I just collect all of my ideas on Pinterest and I put them into folders. So I've got a folder for the kitchen, I've got a folder for every room, the outside, and then I get really specific, like a whole selection of images just for the front door or just for the fittings that I like, the tiles, etc. And it's really helped me make sure that the whole house, when we are finished, is going to be all the same style and that everything is going to be really cohesive. So our style is going to be like a coastal Hamptons. So we want it to be fresh and light, bright, and use natural elements as well, a bit of stone, timber. We love greys and whites, and I'm really excited to see it all come together. And thank you guys for watching. So the style we're going for with the house is all going to be Hampton style. This is the wall that I'm thinking to pull out, so it's all open. Hello, Mr. Arlo. Oh, Avalia, who's on the phone?
Nothing.
Oh, hi Ria. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of our house and the before of our renovation. Hopefully this will be our forever home, but we'll just see what happens with Garth's job. But for now, it's such a warm family home, even though we haven't renovated yet. We've got such a good feeling about it and we love living here. So much space. So if you like this video and you want to subscribe to see notifications for when we've done our renovation, so you can see the after, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us.
Can I have a cup of tea, please?
Not yet.
With a little bit of milk, okay?
Okay.